Prices starting at $180,800, the 2022 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT is exclusively available in the Cayenne Coupe body style. It packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 that makes 630 horsepower and 626 pound-feet of torque. In comparison to the engine in the Cayenne Turbo Coupe, this one has new parts for the crankshaft, pistons, connecting rods, and timing chain. The power pushes the Turbo GT to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. The quarter mile comes in 11.6 seconds, and the top speed is at 186 miles per hour.